In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. Then at the very top, tap at Your Name. After that, tap at iCloud. And then get into Photos. All you have to do now in order to restore photos is just turn on this option, Sync this iPhone. If this toggle button turned off, tap on it to activate it, and after that synchronization process will start and all your photos and videos from the iCloud will be downloaded to your phone. Just ensure that you have enough storage space to download all your media content. As you can see here, it says that I got about 10 gigabytes of media files on my iCloud. And then we can head over back to Settings, then General, and then iPhone Storage. That's where we can check free space on our device's internal storage. It says that I got 256 gigabytes of total disk space on my device, and 210 gigabytes is actually free for now. So in my case, I have more than enough space to restore all the photos and videos from the iCloud. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.